Hi students, how are you? Fine. Okay, so this channel we are created for to provide the very good simple idea to learn maths. Okay, so 8th standard, 9th standard, 10th standard, 11th standard, right? We are planning, but we'll see. So this is the first video for introduction about polynomials. Polynomials chapter is a very useful chapter in 8th standard ICSE, 9th standard, 10th standard CBSE. So this video about basics, very fundamental basics about polynomial. What is polynomial, types, and how to define that, right? Like this we are going to see. Okay, let's go to video. Those who didn't subscribe this channel, please do it as early as possible. Okay, we'll move to video. Polynomial. What is polynomial? The algebraic expressions have only whole number as the power of the variable called a polynomial. Means what, sir? What is this definition? Very easy. Any expression. What is the expression? Mixed with number and variable. 4x plus 5, 7y plus 8. Like this, any variable come with a constant is called expression. In that expression, power of the variable ka power is a whole number. Whole number means what? We know that 0 to positive infinity. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to positive infinity is called a whole number. Okay. So any expression ka variable having the power as a whole number, that expression is polynomial. Example we gave in the below. See this 2x where x ka power is 1. Second, x squared plus 2x. See the 2 where 2x is there. First x ka power is 2. Second x ka power is 1. Third equation, y cube minus y squared plus 4y plus 7c. This other two examples, variable x was used, but the third example mein variable y was used. Generally, alphabets, English alphabets used for as the variable. Okay. So third example may see that all the variable ka power is a whole number 3, 2, 1. Okay, so expressions of this form are called polynomial in one variable. In the 9th standard and 10th standard, we are going to study only in one variable polynomial. Polynomial in one variable. Generally, we will use the xy, but any alphabet we can use it. Okay. Okay. Next, what is not a polynomial? Okay. Polynomial, we know that expressions has the positive power or else the power as a whole number. Then what is not a polynomial? Yes, good. Power is not a whole number. Means fraction. It may be a fraction, or it may be a negative number. It may be a decimal, right? Those polynomials are, those expressions are called not a polynomial. Definition was given there. Please go through it. The algebraic expressions have not whole number as the power of the variable called not a polynomial. That can be called as any expression. Example, x plus 1 by x. In the 9th standard yearly we studied that 1 by x is equal to x power minus 1. Henna? If the x is any variable is came in denominator, whenever we move those denominator into numerator, its power will become change. Negative will become positive, positive will become negative. So second example, root x plus 3. Root x also, root x power is x power half, right? Third is the cube root of y plus y square. It is equal to y the power 1 by 3 cube root. Second example may square root. Third example may cube root. For the easy understanding one picture also provide that these expressions power don't have the whole numbers. So these all the expressions cannot be called as polynomial. So this is not a polynomial. Okay. Third, parts of a polynomial. In the polynomial, the expressions, see that example x squared plus 2x, where the two terms are there, right? So the any variable and constant bonded with multiplication, any variable and constant bonded with multiplication form, consider as the one term, 2x, or else 7x squared, means 7 into x squared. So any variable bonded with multiplication or division form, it is considered as the one term. But any variable or a constant bonded with plus or minus, sum or difference, that can be considered as the different terms. Yes. So only the example is there, x squared plus 2x, it has the two terms. So the parts of the polynomial, one is terms. Okay. In the terms, two kinds is there, variable and coefficient. Similarly, the polynomial, see that the 3y squared plus 5y plus 7, it has how many terms? Tell me. Correct. 3 terms, because 3y squared one term, 5y other term, 7 next term. Okay, the 3 are bonded with plus. So it has 3 terms. Okay, now I'm asking one question. Okay, can you write the terms of the polynomial given below? Pause the video and write it. Everyone knows that, sir. So easy, sir. Okay, good, right. Now we will see that answer, minus x squared plus 4x squared plus 7x minus 2. It has 4 terms. Minus x cube, one term, 4x squared, second term, 7x, third term, minus 2, fourth term, 4 terms. Second polynomial, 3y squared plus 5y, 2 terms. Yes, 3y squared is one term because bonded with positive plus. So it is different terms. Third, t squared, only one term. So this is one term polynomial. Okay. Next, we'll move to coefficient and variable. What is coefficient? Coefficient generally constant. Practically we can say that real number. See that any expression 5x means where 5 is constant. So there 5x is the coefficient of x. X squared minus 7x. X squared minus 7x. So x squared, along x squared nothing was there, but the 1 was hide. So coefficient of x squared is 1. Then coefficient of minus 5x is minus 5. The constant. So generally constants are called coefficients whenever those constants came along with the variable. Okay. So here see that the definition, coefficients of the polynomial is a constant. Generally any real number, it will come along with the variable. Always coefficients will come along the variable. Each term of the polynomial has the coefficient. Each term, every polynomial, every polynomial has the coefficient. See the example where x cube ka coefficient minus 1, x squared ka coefficient 4, x ka coefficient 7, minus 2 ka coefficient 0, because there is a no variable, right? So only it is a 0. Okay. Do you know that the coefficient of x in x squared minus x plus 7? See that, because x, before the x nothing was there, but 1 was hide. So minus 1. Its coefficient is minus 1. Okay. Okay. Next, we'll move to types of the polynomial. We know that types of the polynomial, generally everyone knows that term-wise polynomial, degree-wise polynomial, right? Okay, good. Same way, here we are going to see the 4 types. One is constant polynomial, second is zero polynomial, third term-wise, fourth degree-wise. What is a constant polynomial? Any real number. Any real number come alone. 5, 55, 7, 67. That can be also called as polynomial. How, sir? Sir, only 7 only will come where variable was not there. How can I say that this is a polynomial? Yes. 7, we can write 7 into x power 0. Huh? Henna? Because any power 0 is 1. 7 into 1, 7 only. Right? So, any real number came alone. Okay, listen carefully. Any real number came alone, that can be considered as a polynomial. Name constant polynomial. Okay. Next, zero polynomial. Okay. Sir, now only you told that any real number will come. That's a constant polynomial. 0 also the real number. Yes, but mathematicians there gave 0 is separate because no value. So they gave the new name for that. If the 0 will come separately, that can be considered as the zero polynomial. Zero polynomial. This plays the very important role in higher classes, right? We'll see this about the zero polynomial in higher classes. Okay. Next, this is so important, term wise and degree wise. Term already we studied. Okay, if the expression inside the expressions bonded with the plus or minus term, right? If any polynomial has one and only term, is called monomial, because mono means 1. Example was there 2x, 2, 5x cube, minus 5x squared, y and u power 4, right? Okay, in this example, tell me minus 5x squared. What is the coefficient of x squared? We are studying monomial. In monomial, 6 examples are given. In the 4th example, minus 5x squared, where x squared coefficient, what is the coefficient for x squared? Yes, minus 5. Okay. Next, if any polynomial has 2 terms, it's called a binomial. 2 terms, binomial. Means bi means 2. So only it's called a binomial. Examples are there, 5x plus 2. See that, no need to see the variable power, how many variables are there. No need to see. Only we have to see that where the 2 terms is there, that polynomial is called a binomial. Very good. Then last term wise mein last, generally 3 terms. Any polynomial has the 3 terms, it's called a trinomial. Examples are there, x plus x squared plus pi, 2 plus x minus x squared. Please note it down. Take your note and pen, right? Please note it down. It's so helpful for you. Whenever you will write and study, you can learn very easily. You can't forget very easily. You cannot forget very easily. So whenever you will study, take the note and pen, write and study. Okay. Okay. Next, we'll move to types of the polynomial. 4th, degree wise polynomial. Sir, what is a degree? Degree, it's not a BCom BSc, right? The power, highest power of the variable. Expression may have the 1 term, 2 term, 3 term, more terms are there, but we have to see the highest power of the variable. Example, see that the x plus x squared plus pi, right? It is a trinomial, but which is the highest power of the variable? Yes, 2. See that x also there, x ka power is 1, x squared ka power is 2. So power highest power is 2, so its degree is 2. Same way, second example, degree is 3, right? Yes, good. Next. Sir, we study the constant polynomial. Constant polynomial mein x was not there. No, we studied constant polynomial mein x is there. It was hide. See here, 5 minus 77, 125. These can be say as a constant polynomial. It can be written as a 5x power 0, 125x power 0. Because any power 0 is 1. So, degree of the constant polynomial, non-zero constant polynomial is 0. Very important. Take your note, and very, very important, because most of the students will give the mistakes here. Degree of the constant polynomial and degree of the zero polynomial. This is frequently they are asking the exams. Next, degree of the zero polynomial. Till now, degree of the zero polynomial was undefined or else not defined. Important point, note it down. Next, how can we segregate the polynomial by degree wise? We studied monomial, binomial, trinomial for term wise. Now, degree means highest power of the variable. Degree means highest power of the variable. Yes. If for any polynomial its degree is 1, that polynomial is called a linear polynomial. Degree 2, quadratic polynomial. Quadratic. Okay. Quadratic polynomial. Degree 3, cubic polynomial. Degree 4, biquadratic polynomial. Okay. That's in the 10th standard. Okay. Degree 4, biquadratic polynomial. Okay. So, see here, general form of the linear polynomial. Maximum. In the linear polynomial, maximum 2 terms only will come. One term is come with x, other term comes with constant. Always. Maximum. Maybe one term also. See the example 2x, 5t. This also the linear polynomial. Linear polynomial, we have to see the degree only. Number of terms we will not see, right? The same way, quadratic polynomial, degree 2, its general form is ax squared plus bx plus c, where a, b, c are a constant. In the quadratic polynomial, ax squared plus bx plus c, where a, b, c are a constant, x variable, a, b, c are constant. Examples are there, 2x squared plus 5, 5x squared plus 3x plus pi. Sir, pi? Yes, pi is an irrational number. Na? We studied that also, the number, irrational number. Okay. Then, cubic polynomial, general form, ax cube plus bx squared plus cx plus d, where a, b, c, d are a constant, x is a variable. Okay. So, please go through the student. Standard form is, general form is very important, but most of the students will not learning the general form, right? So, quadratic polynomial, maximum, how many terms will come? Maximum. Yes, maximum 3 terms only. Minimum 1 term. Quadratic polynomial, cubic polynomial, biquadratic polynomial, anything, minimum 1 term is needed. Maximum, linear polynomial 2, quadratic polynomial 3, cubic polynomial 4, biquadratic polynomial 5. Okay. So, this video is for basics about the polynomial. So, we make the base, right? Fundamental, very strongly. Okay. So, further, we will post the full syllabus of 9th standard, 10th standard max. Okay. Please note it down. Have a nice day. Bye.